Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access and tools. Confirm the SharePoint site URL, list, or library names, and that you have read or higher permissions. Next, install and open Power BI Desktop and sign in using the same Microsoft 365 account tied to SharePoint. This prevents auth mismatches. Once done, choose the appropriate connector, SharePoint list for structured lists, SharePoint folder or SharePoint document library for files, and paste the site URL to begin fetching data. After connecting, you land in Power Query where most shaping happens. Remove unused columns, set correct data types, filter rows, and unpivot where needed so your tables are analytic ready. If you connected a library, use the combine files flow to extract table content from each file, then expand the binary contents into a unified table. Once queries are loaded, switch to Model View and create relationships, calculated columns, and DAX measures to enable accurate cross-table analysis and efficient visuals. Finally, publish your report to the Power BI service into the appropriate workspace and immediately configure dataset settings. Set credentials to OAuth 2 using your organizational account and schedule refresh intervals that match data needs. If SharePoint is on-premises, install and configure an on-premises data gateway. If a refresh or access fails, first re-authenticate in dataset settings, confirm the site URL and permissions, and review Power Query privacy levels. Fixing those resolves most connection and refresh errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.